What a fantastic question. As a lender, I get this question 5, 6 times a day. How can I refinance? How can I save money? The crazy part is that most people have less than 5% on their interest rate. Current rates are 6.5 to 7.5, depending on the type of property you're buying, whether it's a primary residence or an investment property or a second home. So interest rates are higher currently than they have been in the last few years. If you purchased a home 3, 4, 5 years ago, your interest rate is way better and it doesn't make sense to refinance. If you're refinancing to save money monthly, then it most likely won't make sense. If you're thinking of refinancing to take cash out, I would advise you to do what's called a home equity line of credit. That's a checkbook basically that you get using the equity of your home. And if you use a credit union or your local bank, they're free. Okay, so I am a lender. I do them, but they're not free with me because I'm not a bank or a credit union. So if you go to a bank or a credit union, you ask for a home equity line of credit. As long as you keep that open for 3 years, many cases you will not have to pay any closing costs on that loan. For example, if you have a $100,000 home, you can borrow up to 90% of that home equity. So if you owe $80,000 currently, that would be 80%. You can go to 90%. You can have a $10,000 home equity line of credit. They give you a checkbook. There's no closing costs. You can write a check out of it for $100 and use it at the grocery store if you want. Or you can buy a car for $5,000. They don't care. You only have a payment on the money that you borrow. So if you borrow $1,000, you would have to make a payment on $1,000. Once you pay that off, now you have your $10,000 limit available again. You can use it for $1,000 again, pay it off. You can keep doing that. Most banks will have a 10-year limit. And then after that 10 years, it turns into a 20-year fixed. Every person is different. So you want to check the rules and the guidelines and the qualifications of your bank or your credit union to get that. But I hope that helped. That's how you do it right now. Follow me, stay in touch with me, send me a message. I will keep you posted. I actually have a software system that we can put your information in. And if you have, let's say 6% and you want to refinance at 5, I can put your information in there at 5% and it will notify you and me at the same time. Interest rates are at 5 and this person can refinance. So I'd love to help you out and make sure that you can save money the very first second that it's available. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.